In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the blow motor heater resistor located right in front of the passenger seat, down by the feet, on a Jeep Wrangler. Open the glove box, take the items out if you need to, take that lock strap out of there, and then just bend it down and unhook it. Set it aside. Now you'll get more lighting and you can see right down there if you need to get to that heater resistor. You're going to need flathead screwdriver, 8mm or 5/16 socket, 1/4" drive preferred. This particular model does have a lock on it, but it was frozen and broken already. So I pried that out of the way. If yours still has that red tab, then you're going to need to take a flat screwdriver and pop it towards the wire side. Then you can reach in and grab the actual lock tab on the harness and pull the connector right out. So I'm not going to take the connector off of the heater resistor first because it's hard to even see or get my hand in there to manipulate it to get that tab undone. So I'm going to take the 2 screws out, the mounting screws. One's here and then one is up there on top. You can see it through the glove box if you sit up in the cab. So 5/16 socket or 8mm. Let's break it free. One and the other one's up here on top. Another easy way might be you can try a long extension with a swivel socket on there if you have one. Now I'm going to pull the unit out with the connector on it. There we go. Now it's easier to get your hands on that connector, on that tab right there. So I'm going to squeeze that tab and then pull. There we go. Now I'm going to insert the new heater resistor. Now with that out of the way, hopefully it should be a little bit easier to mount it. Start it by hand. Get your socket and snug it up. Two bolts are tight. Now I can take that connector, line it up, and put it back on. All right, so once you line that connector up on that resistor, just push it in until it clicks. Nice like that. Yep, nice and sturdy. So reinstall the glove box. You have 3 little half loops here, and they line right up. Bring this in, grab that holding strap, slide it right in. You'll see a little eyelet. Ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.